guys, welcome to Wrenchettes. We're on the work this beautiful and clean G35, but in life as well. Today we're gonna do something that I wanted to do for a very long time, and that is to install the Batman wing on the G35, and that will be the last piece of the puzzle. Because I was gonna put some bats here, but I don't think that will look that great until I can find an awesome graphic to put there. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I think right now it's between classic, nice and neat, and then if I put too much stuff on it, it will definitely look tacky, and I don't want that. So the last piece will be the Batman wing right here. It's a little smaller than what I thought it was gonna be, but yeah, let's try to install this on the trunk and get some measurements and get this party started. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure the trunk from here to here and get the center, then measure from here to here and then get the center, and then measure the legs of the wing and get the center, and just center the entire thing on the top of my trunk right here. If it looks good, it looks good. If it doesn't, then, you know, I can always patch up the holes and leave it how it is right now. So far, here's all the mock-ups that I have. So it looks something like this. Here's a rough edit of how it's gonna look like. See it? So from here, it's gonna come like this, and looking like that. Looks cool, but I'm still 50-50. I had trouble because this hood right here is not like straight. It's like it slants and then comes back in. So when I measure in the middle here, it has like 45, but when I measure in the bottom here, it has like 42. So when you center on 45 on the bottom here, it doesn't look right. It's a lot of stuff you have to worry about, but let's get started so we could finish it. If I never start it, I will never finish it. We're at the point of no return. If I drill, I have to put it on. I have to commit. I will commit. So the tip that I use to go and find is 1564. This one barely has any thread. This one has a lot of thread, which is good. This one has a lot of thread, which is good. But this one also has a little thread. I kind of stripped it a little bit, but it went down and it's stable so far. The bottom one, I suspected it was good, no problem there. I stripped it a little bit. I don't know why I was stripping. The same thing with this. As I suspected it, I mean, I was gonna hammer it, but it went down on its own as I was tightening it. So it worked out pretty well. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the wing on and see if it wobbles too much or if it's good. I did the boo-boo, but I'm gonna tell you guys what the boo-boo is so you don't have to do it. Learn from my mistakes. I am your guinea pig. You see these notches right here? Right here? Those notches is for when you screw in this part, the bolt. You see the bolt right inside there? Now that notch from over there is supposed to land on top of that, so you could easily screw in the screw and it goes in. You see, if you go back to the wing, the notch is in the back, and here the notch is in the front. So it has to match over here too. The bolt has to be in the back, and the bolt has to be in the front. But on this one, it was in the back, because you guys can see right there, it was this one, and then I made the new one right there. And this one, it was in the front, and I had to make it for the back. Now this is the inside of the trunk. It doesn't look pretty, it doesn't have to be pretty. I would have liked to have a washer so it could grab more real estate. But if I see like any bending of any sort, like of the wing, then I get a washer and then I install it. I tighten everything up. This is gonna be its final form. I put it as tall as possible because in the render, the wing is much higher. So I try to compensate by putting it all the way up as I can. A little bit of tilt here and a little bit of tilt here. Everything is super tight here. The only thing that wobbles is the actual wing, so you guys can see. It has a little bit of play, but that's the actual carbon fiber. Be honest, how many of you knew that this little lever glow in the dark? Check it out, how cool is that? Check that out. It glows in the dark. I guess so when, God forbid, somebody's in there, they can see the lever, clip, get it out, and get out of there. Okay, so the wing is finally done. It's 98% because I still need that third brake light. I don't do it because I don't have the tools to make it happen right now. But I am gonna order it to see how it looks. If it looks bad, take it off. But if it does, then we'll leave it on. But for now, look at the final result. Now this is the inside view of the wing. So you see me here, hello, and you see the wing in the back. And if you want this wing for yourself, I link it in the description so you can get your own Batman wing. Leave your thoughts and comments in the section down below. Don't worry about my feelings. I know it's gonna be mixed. Some of you are gonna love it and some of you are gonna completely hate it. But I, right now, am loving this thing. And the build is looking great, man. The Batman build is looking up so nicely. From the render to the real life thing, it's like having a toy. And I am truly blessed to have this little toy right here. Not only this one, but this one's gonna be the Vador soon enough. Oh man, but for now I'm enjoying this Batman build right here. So if you like this Batman build, if you like this carbon fiber wing, please give me a like on this video. And if you are new, please consider subscribing because awesome things are coming to this channel. God bless. Until next time.